What's up guys, I am back with another video. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to make these really trendy fringe pants. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. So first we will start with your materials. You'll need a pair of jeans, you'll need some pins, you also need your scissors and a little bit of fringe. So the first thing that you want to do is measure out your fringe on your pants. Me personally, I like to leave about half of an inch down at the bottom just in case that everything isn't smooth, and you want to make sure that you have enough and you can always cut that extra.
Simple, easy come, easy go. You know my loving is no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat.
Now what you want to do is begin to sew as much as you can sew with your machine. Depending on the width of the leg of the pant, if it's a really slim skinny of like a jean legging or something like that, you're not going to be able to get all the way down the pant leg. The machine won't let you. So you're going to get as far as you can with the top, and you're going to get as far as you can with the bottom of the pant, and then that middle piece you're going to go back and you're going to have to hand sew. As you can see, I am definitely struggling with this machine. I am trying to sew as far down as I can, because if you know me, you know I hate hand sewing. So, yeah, you just want to make sure that you sew as far down as you can. And when you get to the point where your machine won't allow you to go any further down the leg, then you go in and you hand sew that area.
Easy go, no need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go. No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. You know my loving is no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat.
So this is our end result. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and do me a really big favor and share this video with anybody who you think could benefit from it. We are a small channel and we're definitely trying to grow. So I'm going to keep the content coming for you guys, but thank you for watching.